Okay, to make fine silver casting grains, I took a scrap of fine silver. It was a small bale that broke off a piece. I have that on a fire brick, and I'm going to use a simple butane torch. And also I'm going to use a soldering pick, which I don't need in this demo, but I'll tell you why I use it. So I just put the hottest part of the flame from the torch, which is the end of the inner tube of blue, on the piece, and there's really no moving it around to evenly heat it up because it's so small. And you will see the silver starts flowing. It usually starts flowing at about 1700 degrees, maybe a little less because the piece is so small. And silver miraculously just balls up on its own, which says about a lot about the molecule. It's got to be symmetric in some form. Here's a piece of fine silver wire that I just put on there and heated up, and you'll see that it breaks into or thins out into two pieces. So I actually get two balls, one larger than the other. Sometimes when you're heating this, it actually flips, like you'll see. And that's why I have the solder pick. And sometimes the balls from the force of the flame will just roll right off your brick. So I wanted to be able to catch them and keep them on the brick. And I'm doing this on a Pyrex glass plate because if they rolled off, I wouldn't want my bench top to start on fire. And that's it, pretty much. This is a bunch of casting grains that Rio Grande sells. Silver Supply places sell these, and you can incorporate them into any silver metal clay creation if you treat them such as dried clay. Like you need to set them and add water and use a little paste or syringe to surround them so that they adhere and bond to the wet or the dry clay around them.